my channel. For today's video, I'd like to take you to the biggest IKEA store in the world. So, kung mahilig kayo sa mga furnitures, mag-ayos ng kitchen, or mga bedroom, or ng living room, this is the perfect place for you. Let's go! IKEA was founded by Swedish Ingvar Kamprad in 1953 and was originally a mail-order catalog business in Sweden. Today, IKEA is a well-known home furnishing brand that brings design, comfort, with competitive prices to people all over the world. IKEA is named after the initials of the founder, the farm on which he grew up, and a nearby village in his hometown. So we have here the baby section. Ayan. Merong bowls, 6 pieces per pack, 100 pesos lang. Ito siya. There's a free locker service over here na pwede niyong gamitin. So, pag marami kayong mga gamit na dala, ayan, mayroong free locker service dito. So we went to IKEA to find a new bed. So I guess we found the perfect section. So yeah, tingin-tingin tayo ng mga beds. Let's go! I like this bed kasi meron siyang harang. Kasi malikot ako natulog. Ay naman siya. It's comfy. Let's see how much is it. So for the bed I want, the body, the frame is 7,990 and then the foam mattress is 4,990. For example, this bed, if kukunin ko siya, the frame is 7,990 and then if they will assemble it for you, there's an assembly fee and then may truck delivery fee and then there's different sizes of foam mattress. So yan. Okay to, kaya lang wala yung headboard. But I like this size and yung frame. The frame is nice, kaso gusto ko yung may headboard. Andito na tayo sa toilet section. The Swedish furniture giant has arrived in Manila, Philippines by opening its largest store in the world with a new 730,000 square foot facility that includes a 2-story, 270,000 square foot store with 5 floors, dining area, showroom, as well as warehouses, parking spaces, an e-commerce center, and a call center. Dito naman tayo sa mga office chairs kasi naghahanap ako ng office chair. So, yan. Check out tayo. Wow! Amazing! So, dito po makikita yung mga small items. These are set of 3 for 90 pesos lang. So, meron silang resealable packs for 50 pesos only. And then, ito naman, yung bigger, 90 pesos. So, yan, maraming sizes. 2.5 liters. Ito naman yung maliliit lang, 10 ounce lang. Ayan. So, we're on our way to pick up the item that we're buying. So, it says on the price tag, it's rack 8, section 4. So, we're going to rack 8. So, we're here at rack 8. So, we'll find the computer chair that I wanted to buy kanina dun sa showroom. It says rack 8, section 4. So, ayan. This is it. Section 4. So, ito yung nakita namin na computer chair sa taas. Ito siya. Yan. Let's get pancake bites. So, ito yung food items nila. They have coffee, smoothies, dessert, bread, cookies, and chocolates. If gusto nyo bumili ng mga ready-made na. So, yan yung food items. IKEA meatballs to go. Yan. Kung gusto nyo lutuin sa bahay, it's 599 per pack. So, dito sa Swedish Bistro, pwede kayong mag-merienda. So, hotdog for 29 pesos, empanada for 35 pesos. Ayan. Merong chicken wings, hotdog and drink, and ice cream for 75 pesos lang. Hotdog and drink for 65 pesos lang. Coffee.
IKEA's Bistro and Cafe is designed as a grab-and-go service where you pick up and collect your desired food items, place it in your cart, and pay afterwards. IKEA is also known for their world-famous Swedish meatballs partnered with lingonberry jam and cream sauce. They also have vegetarian choices and other Swedish dishes on the menu.
I got mushroom soup, and then meron tayong, wala to sa seed. May chicken wings, and then sparkling berry drink, and then apple pie, and we have their pastries, bread, and chocolate cake.
Yeah.
So yan, may meatballs, and then may mashed potatoes, and then meron the berry jam. So this is my first time to see chicken wings sa IKEA, kasi sa ibang IKEA store, parang wala to. Hindi ko maalala kung meron or wala, pero parang wala. Dun sa IKEA store na nandun sa harap ng work ko before. So itry natin. Dinip ko siya sa ketchup. Okay na siya. Try natin yung chocolate cake. That's good. Okay siya. It's moist. Sarap! So yan, after nyo kumain, just leave your empty trays here in this area. So there you have it, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung pag-ikot-ikot natin dito sa IKEA. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos niya. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.